Do you want to get a jump start on making a salad for dinner tonight, or even prep a salad so you have it ready to go sitting in your fridge and you can enjoy it for the next 3 or 4 days? Well, I got some tips for you today. If you want to prep a salad in advance, there's a couple ways you can do it. First off, you could just prep all the ingredients, like your tomatoes, lettuce, I got carrots here, olives, and then wash them, chop them, and store them all in the refrigerator. And then when you want to make a salad, you can toss them all together. Another way to prep a salad in advance is just to assemble it in your salad bowl, and that's what I usually do. You can also assemble it in a mason jar if you want, if you're going to be taking this like to work or something. This is a great way to transport it. But today I'm going to make this salad in a big bowl, and we're going to start off by putting the crunchiest, hardest ingredients in the bottom because they have the least amount of liquid, so they're not going to make your salad mushy. So we're going to start off with, I have some cherry tomatoes that are going in. I have a bunch of olives that I drained. Then next up, I got some crunchy celery putting in. And I have some red onions that I slivered and that I'm going to put on top. So just layer those all in your bowl. If you'd like, you could put your salad dressing at the bottom, and that's if I'm going to serve it within about 12 hours. Then you can just toss it all together and serve the salad. But usually I keep the salad for 2 or 3 days in the fridge, so I like to keep the dressing on the side. I've got a couple more crunchy ingredients I want to add in. I have some bell peppers that I'm just going to dice up. Just make sure when you're prepping all these veggies that you wash them and thoroughly dry them, because water is what is going to cause your salad to get wilted, and that is not what you want with a salad. You want it nice and crispy. So I'm just going to finish chopping up this red pepper. You can use red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, whatever you like. Just use your imagination when making your salad. Then I'm going to add these into my bowl on top, just like that. I've got a couple more ingredients I'm going to add in. I have some shredded carrots that are going to go right on top. Next, I'm going to add in some cheese because the salad is great with cheese. I'm using grated Parmesan cheese. You could also use any other kind of hardened cheese or ones that don't have a lot of liquid, like feta's great, blue cheese. And I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top in a layer. And then we got a couple more ingredients. So I've got all my crunchy and hearty ingredients into the salad. Some other things you could add at this point, some beans, just rinse and dry them really well. If you want to put in some shredded chicken or some diced up pieces of ham are also great. Also, you could add in some toasted nuts or some seeds. They would add a great crunch to your salad. So I have a couple more ingredients. I'm going to add in some hearty greens. This is kale. This really stands up well to some time in the fridge. So I put that on top of the vegetables, and then I'm going to add in some romaine that I chopped up. This is a little more delicate, so I'm going to put it on top of the kale and just spread that out. Just fill your whole bowl. So my final step is I want to get this salad ready to go in the fridge. So I am going to put a dry paper towel right on top. This will absorb any moisture that is in the bowl. And then I'm going to grab some plastic wrap and then just seal up the bowl. If you would like, if you have a big airtight container, you can also make your salad in that. I like to make it in a bowl so it's easier to serve. I can just serve right out of this bowl. So now I'm going to pop this whole salad into my refrigerator, and it will be ready tonight at dinner time. So when you're ready to serve your salad, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can add dressing to it and then toss it and serve the whole salad just as it is. If you want to just have a portion of it, I recommend still tossing the salad, adding it to a salad plate or a bowl, and then dressing it separately. Because as soon as you add dressing to this and you try to store it in your refrigerator, your greens will start to wilt and get mushy and soggy, and nobody wants a soggy and mushy salad.